Embarking on a spiritual journey is akin to setting sail on an uncharted sea, with the destination being the discovery of one's inner self and a deeper connection with the universe. Along this transformative odyssey, individuals often encounter a series of spiritual tests that challenge their beliefs, resilience, and understanding of the world. In this video, we will explore 5 fundamental spiritual tests that serve as milestones on the path to enlightenment. Test of self-discovery. The journey towards spiritual enlightenment begins with a profound exploration of oneself. This test demands introspection and self-awareness. One must confront and understand their fears, desires, and limitations. It involves peeling away the layers of societal conditioning and ego to reveal the authentic self. This process can be uncomfortable and unsettling, but it is a crucial step in establishing a solid foundation for spiritual growth. Test of surrender. As individuals progress on their spiritual journey, they often encounter situations that demand surrender. This doesn't imply defeat, but rather letting go of the need for control and accepting the natural flow of life. The test of surrender challenges one's ability to release attachments, expectations, and the illusion of absolute control. It invites individuals to trust in the greater cosmic plan and cultivate patience in the face of uncertainty. Test of compassion. Spiritual growth is intimately tied to the capacity for compassion and empathy. The test of compassion requires individuals to extend understanding and kindness not only to themselves but also to others. This involves overcoming judgment, embracing forgiveness, and cultivating a sense of interconnectedness with all living beings. Compassion becomes a guiding force that transforms relationships and fosters a sense of unity with the world. Test of gratitude. Gratitude is a potent catalyst for spiritual evolution. The test of gratitude challenges individuals to appreciate the beauty in life, even in the midst of challenges. It involves acknowledging and expressing thanks for both the mundane and the extraordinary. Cultivating gratitude shifts the focus from what is lacking to what is abundant, fostering a positive mindset that attracts more positivity into one's life. Test of detachment. Detachment is not about indifference, it is about maintaining inner peace and equilibrium regardless of external circumstances. The test of detachment challenges individuals to loosen their grip on material possessions, relationships, and outcomes. It calls for embracing the impermanence of life and finding a serene center within, unaffected by the transient nature of the external world. This test is a gateway to freedom from the shackles of desire and fear. The spiritual journey is a profound odyssey that unfolds through a series of transformative tests. Each test presents an opportunity for growth, inviting individuals to deepen their understanding of themselves, others, and the universe. By navigating the tests of self-discovery, surrender, compassion, gratitude, and detachment, individuals can unlock the gates to spiritual enlightenment and experience a profound sense of peace, purpose, and interconnectedness.